This is my homemade Punjabi style chicken curry. This is a real and rustic flavor packed curry. Sauce is so delicious and the chicken is so tender. This is my favorite. Let's get it done. First of all, dice up your chicken breast and now marinate it with turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, ginger and garlic paste, salt and lemon juice. Now give it a mix and marinate the chicken really well. Now keep it in the fridge. Now in a pan add ghee and let it melt. And now add cumin seeds and a few bay leaves. Now let the cumin seed crackle. This is really important to get the flavors out of them. You want to make sure that the flame is medium and they have a slight color on them. And then add finely chopped onions. And now give it a stir and caramelize your onions onto a medium flame for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now this is the Punjabi style chicken curry. This is why I'm cooking it in a ghee. You can always use vegetable oils. Now keep stirring. You want to make sure that you caramelize it evenly. For 5 to 6 minutes your onion have started to get a nice color on them. At this stage add fresh ginger and garlic paste. Now give it a stir and cook this ginger and garlic paste for about 3 to 4 minutes on a medium flame or until the raw aromas of ginger and garlic have disappeared. And once you get a nice color and aroma to your nose and your eyes, put the gas setting to lowest. It's really important that you put the gas setting to very low. Add turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, coriander powder and a few green chilies. Add a tablespoon of water. Now cook these spices for about 30 to 40 seconds on very low flame. And now add a tablespoon or 2 plain yogurt. Give it a stir and cook your yogurt on a low flame for about 3 to 4 minutes. Adding yogurt is optional, but in every Indian household, especially in Punjab, in my house at least, we add yogurt in the curry. This adds creaminess. It's really important that you stir it continuously when you add yogurt because you don't want yogurt to split. And you know the yogurt is cooked when you see the fat coming on the surface. In this case, the ghee has come on the top. At this stage, add tomato puree. These are just freshly ground tomatoes without any water addition. And now add salt. Now cook your tomatoes for about 3 to 4 minutes. And now add marinated chicken into your pot. Now put the gas setting to medium and cook this chicken, sear it in a pan for about 3 to 4 minutes on a medium flame. Keep your gas settings to medium all the times. You want to sear the chicken really well. You want the juices to be locked inside, and when your chicken is cooked it will be nice and juicy in the inside. And at this stage do not add any water. Sear the chicken really well and then add water. And once the chicken is nicely seared, add hot water to deglaze the pan and create some sauce. Now if you have a lidded pan, put the gas setting to lowest and cover the pan and let it simmer for about 5 to 6 minutes. Depending on the thickness of your chicken, it'll cook just in minutes. Now in about 5 minutes my chicken is nicely cooked and the sauce is looking delicious, luscious and is smelling divine. And now top it up with some garam masala, freshly sliced ginger juliennes, lots of coriander leaves, some toasted kasuri methi leaves. This lemon is optional, but this is my personal favorite. It adds a lot of flavor into the chicken curry. And there you have it guys. This is my Punjabi style chicken curry, raw and rustic. It's delicious. It's the way we eat in India, in Punjab, in my house.